Today we're going to start from the very beginning. We're going to be learning your stance into 3 different points. But before we get into that, what we need to figure out is if you're left-handed, which is a southpaw boxer, or you're right-handed, which is orthodox. I'll be showing you the southpaw stance and running through some points with you, dropping in some right-handed comments there and then. So, point number 1, the basics. We need 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, with about half a metre in between each of these legs. For me, because I'm southpaw, it is my right foot forward. If you're right-handed, it's going to be your left foot. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. That's point number 1. Point number 2, we need to make sure our centre of weight is in the middle of these feet. We don't want it to be too far forward, and we don't want it to be too far back. If it's too far back, you will be out of range, you'll be falling over. If it's too far forward, you're going to get caught. Nice centre of gravity, straight down the centre. And point number 3, the finale, we want to be up on these toes, nice and loose, so we can move in a shot, out a shot, moving round. If your heels are down, it's going to be like you're stuck in glue and you won't be able to move. So there you go, that's it, the 3 points. We've got your stance, your balance, and you stay on them toes. I'll see you for episode number 2.